nights are getting shorter, like a energy I'll conquer. In my soul, this is real. These nights are getting shorter. In my soul, this is real. You sold me down the river, baby. You sold me down the river. Oh, hey, hey. Oh, you got me loose. Hey, hey. Down the river blue.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am super late, but I was having a lot of false starts here. I am also super tired. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of relax a little bit today and do some random code here and there. Finish up what we were doing last night. Nothing too strenuous or out there. Hey, Zero Effects, welcome. And also, I think tomorrow I'm not going to have a stream tomorrow. I need to do some IRL stuff. I need to run around, get some holiday stuff started, and have to do a few things for the day job I didn't get done on Friday, and a couple things like that. So there won't be any stream tomorrow. Today I was kind of like debating, like I haven't gotten sleep for a while. Any appreciable sleep anyway. So I was debating doing today's stream, but I kind of want to do a few things here and there. But it's going to be a nice little laid back, chill stream. Get some things accomplished, maybe not. We'll see. Bit of a hangout. I guess a little bit more of an IRL than a tech stream, but we'll see. Yeah, no problem. No problem, Zero Effects. No problem at all. So actually I want to bring up Melvor Idle while I'm here, because it's been a day since I've looked at it. Just digging coal right now. 20 hours I was getting. 38 mastery tokens. Grab those. I get 67,000. That's close enough to where we can get some more. Try and get my smithing up so I can get the rest of this Dragonite nonsense. So that's where we're at right now. I'm like making runite bars so I can make runite gear, because I get more XP for that per one, so I can get this skill level up to 99, so I can get all the fully decked out in dragon gear at like combat level 70. So I've done a couple of the dungeons here and there, but there's a couple more that I like to do as we're going. So we'll let that go in the background there. So I'd like to finish up some of what I was doing with the share button here. First of all, I need to clean this I need to add some style to this pop-up, to the modal here. It's not quite so utilitarian, and also I want to get the Mastodon thing working, and I want to also wire up the back end for it, which shouldn't be too bad. So I think the first thing is going to be, I want to bring in the streamer display name. Alright, which we should have access to here. the channel. Streamer display name should be channel user display name. All right, and then bring that in so that I can display name, and then I want to put that as an assign here. My name. So I want to enhance this modal a little bit. And I'll say spread the word. Spread the I want to make this upbeat and positive. So let's see. Spread the love. Spread the enjoyment of that streamer play name. Chat community. Okay. And then we say I guess we'll just do a paragraph. Share, we'll do it as a thing here. So it'll be, let me see. Oh, you know what? Let me switch channels here too. Let's go with I want to switch to main character again because that sounded pretty interesting. How about house grooves? Alright, we'll see what that's like. Share, share this, share this channel and the Flemish community with your friends. Use the buttons below for the popular platforms, or you can click copy URL to post on platforms not. I think the other thing too, don't need the ID on here anymore, but I do want at least the call 6 on there. Or, you know what, let's just do a row. This row. I want to bring the copy thing down. Its own row, because I also want to put a which one is it here? URL. I want to put the URL in a text box as well, so you can, if the button doesn't work, you can still copy it out of the text box. Next value class is first, so the value is going to take up a lot here, sort of. Form input, I think, is the class, if I remember correctly, and then the value. Value would be share URL. Let's see what that looks like for a moment here. Text macros expect translation keys. Oh, right. I have to replace this with a how do you, I think it's like a percent or something. Get text. Yeah, it's a percent. What to do? Percent play name. And then I do, it's play name. How do they do it? Oh, they just did it without that. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. That's fine. Display name. All right, I have to find what is what class do we put on this? Form control. Okay. Form control is the class we put on that. All right. Let me fix that up here. Control. And HR. And I want to grab the Mastodon one here. That has to be its own section because of how I have to handle it. Horizontal rule there. And then a type text. I do need to grab that, but I don't really need it to go. Oh. I guess I do need to go to the backend just briefly to build the URL for that. So how do I want this to look here? What do I have to do for this? What's the minimum I have to do for this form? Look at profile. That's not a good one to look at. This is the report button. I can look at this one. This has got a form on it, right? Yeah, here we go. It's about the minimum that I need. Need that extra. Guess you need that at the end of it. No, you don't. It's a weird thing they put in there. Just to throw me off. Share buttons. Or share. Your Mastodon form. Submit. Your Mastodon, and this would be essentially the submit button. Okay, so they just did it's the regular button type submit on it. That's fine. All right. Type submit. So we'll do button type submit. Button. Go, and then this would be text name is instance value, and then it'll text, I think. Get text. Enter Mastodon instance. Not that. titled placeholder. Yeah, and then class is form control. Yep, that's it. Okay. Need the box to expand a little more. Guess if I do content. I think there's like a modal dialog. I think there's like a medium size or something. Total. Oh, components. Middle content. Entered. Oh, so it's modal dialog, modal large. Okay. Looks a little bit better. Gotta get everything off that off the side. Indent it, I mean, and then put some space in there and get this stuff in line. Okay. So let's see. Well, body. Yes. Row. Margin left 2 maybe. Two. And then I want this to be I think we do a form group. Form for blah 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 blah. Class is form group. And then I think it's where's that at? Input group. Oh, I'm sorry, input group is what it is. Input group, prepend and append input group. X. Group, prepend. Just an input group there is enough. Input group. that lines it up better. It does, okay. Good, and then I'll put some space between the Twitter and Reddit buttons. Put some margin on the right though too. Get some more room. And do the same thing down here with the input group. Margin right to and then div class input group. That. A little better. Okay. And then some more space for the buttons. Between the buttons. Do button primary and then margin right to okay. Looking a little bit more presentable. It's still bare bones, but you know what I should do? I should put a modal footer and then put a close button on there. Does nothing but just close. Modal, just for aesthetic purposes. Ooh, excuse me. Class modal footer. Button class button primary float right I have to put something on it too. Close. What is we put on the times up here? Oh, okay, just do the, yeah. You just click hide modal. Okay. Yep, that's a little bit better. That close button should work. It does. Excellent. I guess I don't need that middle horizontal roll. I think I can get rid of that one. I think I like the one at the top. Obviously the one down the bottom is for the footer and this is for the header. I like... Actually, you know what? I guess I don't really need the horizontal rolls at all. It'll probably look better without them. All I really need is some padding, I think. Let's do... Or do margin bottom 3 or something. Feel that looks. It's less busy. There could be a little more room, I guess. Alright, margin bottom 5. Let's have some big margin bottoms. Maybe not that big. I guess 3 was kind of the sweet spot, probably. Four is okay. I do like big margin bottoms, and I cannot lie. And this copy stream URL works, right? If I do Notepad. Yep, that works. And if it doesn't work, they can just copy paste it right from here. Yeah, I just have to wire up the Mastodon instance, which I think I had a Mastodon button or something. Share widget. There you go, Mastodon share. Okay. And I can put, like, I can, as the help text, I'll put like the main Mastodon instance that probably most people are on. So instance address, project on GitHub. And it's just, you just put the instance address in /share text, whatever text is going to be, and space and then target. What is target? Name target. Oh, they're naming the window. Right now. I'm guessing the share text equals is probably enough, because that's the same as pretty much as Twitter. So instance address. Yeah, okay. Pretty straightforward. So I submit this is going to go back. It's going to look for Air Mastodon here. So we'll just do handle events Air Mastodon. And I need the whatchamacallit. Need the instance value. It'll be, I think, share and then instance, instance. And I just got to build the URL from that. Didn't read too bad. I just basically do what I do with this. Share encoded URL. Yeah, share text and then 0D0A and then the share encoded URL. Here text is your text and here coded URL is socket assigns share encoded URL. Right. Then Mastodon URL. Your URL equals. Instance share. Oops, instance. Share and then text equals share text zero B 0A and then share encoded URL. Thinks I could just make this one big URL here. Or one big string, I mean. And do that. Input URL. Okay. No reply socket. I make this. Like, I feel almost like I should do it straight JavaScript. Rather than making a trip back to the server, but because ultimately at the end of the day, we're just going to be opening a new tab. I don't think there's a way. There might be, but because there's a lot of Phoenix JavaScript, but I don't think Phoenix can. Oh, there's Phoenix JS. So Phoenix JS, open new tab. Background mode. Wait a minute. What is this? This might be the other problem that we were having. Well, this is real-time JS, but Ground tap throttle, giving client more time to ping. An inactive browser tab. With a 1 minute timeout. Time for this 30 seconds. WebRTC is not used. Once per minute. These timers will batch together and use minute by minute check. This connection has severed all the channel processes. Reconnect all topics. Join his new channel process. Implement a solution for the okay. Next window, add event listener, page show. Connection on page show. Extra, what is this? Extra heartbeat is sent after disconnects, resulting in heartbeat timeout and abnormal close. When did they fix this? The ones can reproduce. What's this? They pushed a fix on the 29th of August. I don't know if they, okay. I wonder if that fixes the random disconnects that we're getting. Interesting. Looking for something else and then stumble onto one other thing here. We're almost looking for though. Let's see. That's the tabs in live view with JS command. Okay, here we go. Phoenix Live View JS. Click the operations. Content tab. Push an event to the server where a socket will be updated. Okay. How? Like they're always seeing Phoenix Live View JS, but they're never using it. They got an assignment. They got a handle event. And then they got the contents of the 3 tabs. They don't, like, what was the point of bringing this in if you're not using it? Switch tab. Oh, I see. In our template. That's on the template client side. They're doing that. Not really what I want. Yeah, I'm probably better off just take care. New tab. Oh, come on, Link. Yeah, target blank, but that's it's not going back to the server. Pretty sure there's no way to do that, because you can't do that even under normal conditions. I just thought maybe it would have some connection to the on the JavaScript side. Alright, that's fine. I'll just do a hook for it rather than have this here. So we'll do a hook that. Let's call this user view. Is that a file that I changed? No. Web views user review. No idea. That's something. I wonder if that's something that I put in there. No, it's not. Go in there with that. Why that file is empty. Let's find the. I'm trying to find a. I'm trying to find a hook. Right. Yeah, where's this coming from? Hooks. Yeah, here we go. this. Okay. And share. We have event list there, and then I need just need to build the URL based on what's there. I'll need some data things too. So what am I doing over here? The instance share text, share and code URL. Share text equal this the element dot data set dot share your text share URL this the el data set share URL. Instance selector this the element data sets instance instance itself would be document that query selector and selector. And this would be I guess I have to do I'd like to do it as a new tab. If I can do that. Oh, we can use blank in the second parameter of the window open method. Gotcha. Okay. That works. Alright, so let URL equal basically this. text. And URL. URL that we're doing. Window open URL blank. Let me do a console log. See the actual URL being generated by it. Okay, and then down here we do import and share button. Share button. Okay. I just have to put that on thing here and make it of this. Which means I don't really even need this form now. I mean, it's nice to have it for the input group, so I'll always do a div here. Input class, div. You put an ID on this one. Instance field. Right, so PHX book Mastodon share button and data share URL is the share encoded URL, right? Share URL is share URL. Your text. Haven't share text. Yeah, share text, share URL. in the instance. So, next. Yeah, just share text and I fill in the rest of the blanks. Right. Just need the instance selector. Instance field. Okay, will this work? Where's the ID to be set? Right. Share button. So what Mastodon instance? On Mastodon.online. Get her in here. Mastodon.online. That didn't quite work. What went wrong there? HTML input. Oh, I forgot to do, oh, what was? Yeah, that's that value. Right. Your selector value is not function. Instances HTML elements. Yeah, attribute value. Again. No on that. For some reason. It's not pulling the value. Instance selector, query selector. Oh, I still have that as type submit out that. Type button. I say, we're ready. Query selector. Instance field. Can I call get? Oh, it's value. That's why. I'm using I got get value on the brain because that is jQuery, not what I'm using. That dot value. There we go. That should work a little better. Hey, Amento. Welcome. Let's see what we got there. So I can get rid of that then. Do that, and then that should hopefully, if I'm in the right browser here. Bring this up. Do that. Click this. Good. Okay. That is doing that correctly. Just have to put an example in here so people know how to fill that out with the trailing slash. What is my project? I am adding a share button to Glimish, which is a streaming site that is open source, and I'm just contributing to it here and there. So been doing some features for them, and this is just one of them, one of several I have in flight. So yeah, just working on that right now. Just trying to get this at least look halfway decent. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but it's working for the most part here. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and just chilling a little bit too. It's kind of just one of those days where it's just like a brain is just kind of sort of working, but not fully. Oh, okay. So I got that in there. I got it in the app.js. This is saved. Oh yeah, I wanted to add a what is the popular Mastodon instance? I think it's mastodon.social. Mastodon.social thing. Yeah, it is. Okay. I'll just do that one. I think that's like the default one. I think. So put that in as the help text here, placeholder text. Value placeholder. Yeah, the Mastodon instance will just say do it like that, and that's even more descriptive of what they need to put there. I think. Where are we at here? Yeah. They'll just know what they got to put in there. They can put their instance in there. Anyone that's on that should probably know what that means. So that's fine. Yeah, your copy here. Twitter and Reddit, I think, are working. So I think we're good there. We just need to wire up the field that says what the streamer wants it to say. So I think that will go on. Missing on the channel settings page. Somewhere. Your information. I guess I put it under the chat customization. This page is a mess. Or I can put it up as part of the channel customization, I guess. It probably doesn't require its own section, I don't think. Yeah, I think, yeah, I'll put it up in here. Put it up in this section. So this is stream settings. Go look at the profile. I think it is. No, channel settings. Yeah, channel settings here. Render, channel customization, primary language, channel poster. Okay, so what I need. What I need is a decent input. Div class row. Thick. I'll just do another row here. Div class row. Div class all 6. And I need a label, and I need a, I guess it'll be, yeah, I'll make it column small 6 and then column and then form group. Okay. So small 6. Class form group. That's excellent. Okay. But I need a Phoenix Live View form text. Here's label, text input, error tag. And it'll be, so what's the, it's actually form is F. So this will be share text. And get text. What do I call it that people will understand what it is? Stream share message. And I'll do this. Explain it. Do a default message to present to viewers when they when they attempt to share your stream, your channel on social media sites. Share text. And then there's going to be a default value for this, which I'll actually do at the database level. But I'll also put a placeholder here. Enjoy this in the stream with me. I don't know if I like that text that much. I guess that's fine. I could debate over the contents of that text forever, but I think that's short, sweet, and to the point. Okay, so that should show up on the page, right? It would be useful if I styled it correctly. Where's our... class input group, class. Use this form control. This is form control, I think. Okay. Stream share message. Default message is presented to viewers when they click to share your channel on social media site. Good, okay. That's to the point, and it's there, and it lined up with everything. So I think we're good with that, and then all I have to do is actually wire it up, which shouldn't be too bad. What am I calling it? Share text. That's on channel. Do field share text string default is can I wonder if I can do I wonder if I can make I guess I can make a call out here to get text. I have no idea. Yes. I mean, I'd like to think that I could. Actually, I even messed that up on the other side, right? No, I didn't. No, I did get text there. I feel like that's not going to actually work properly. Because we won't know. Yeah, there's no way that could work properly because we don't know what language the user is when the database thing's being written. So we'll just do it in English and we'll just have to change it to whatever language is suitable for them. I guess maybe whether that get text would actually work there. Hmm. Let's see. Oh, I'm working on I want to have a field for the I want to have a field on the streamer channel settings page that lets them set what the sharing text would be. So like when I send someone to Twitter or I send someone to Reddit, you can provide some default text that the user can change that's going to do the tweet, but they can, it's like a, you know, a suggestion of what to say. I'd like to make sure there's always some kind of text in there. So I want to provide a default. Thing is, the default is going to be in English, which may not be desirable, but and what's going to be weird too is it's not is it default going to be in English, but they're going to see it on their side as, actually they'll see it in English probably. Unless they remove everything from the field, and then the field will show it as whatever language they're logged in as. I guess that's fine. Let's see. So I'm gonna do. So that's the. I'll put that there for a second. Put that in channel, and then let's make a migration. And share text column to channels. There we go. Alter channels, alter table, channels, add that's fine. Add share text string. What is the defaults? How did they do this? Yeah, I thought I was like, wait, I have this wrong, right? Defaults and join. Copy that. One thing I don't know is what is the default size of this column. I guess it's probably long enough for what they want to do, but it can't be, like for Twitter, it can't be more than like 200 characters, right? So I gotta put some kind of upper limit on there, probably like 110 characters or something, maybe. there a... We'll see what size it puts them at. So let's go here. Mix, ecto, migrate. Channels, query, scribe. They did varchar 255. Nullable. I could leave it at 255, but I'll limit the field on the page. Yeah, I'll leave it at 255 in the database because the other fields are that same way. I guess technically I should stop them from... Like I should have a minimum length on there too. Can I do a... Yes, that's showing up as actual text, which is correct. Put a minimum size on there. 5 text field minimum. Hey Ramirez, welcome. It's doing pretty good. I'm kind of just chilling today more than anything else. Trying to get a few things wrapped up, but not doing anything too crazy. A little bit tired. There is a min length. Text search URL. Okay. Min length, and I know there's a max length. So if I go and where's the thing that I just changed? Can't have coffee for the foreseeable future. Oof. Yeah, I'm actually drinking decaf right now. Because I'm not, like, my sleep is not constructive, I guess. Like, I sleep, but I wake up and I feel like I didn't sleep. This happens a lot. And I don't know, I thought maybe it was, like, caffeine related, so I've been drinking more decaf than caffeinated. But now I'm not so sure. Now I'm wondering if, like, the caffeine actually, like, if the caffeine crash afterwards is what I really want. You know, like drink a fully caffeinated cup of coffee, like, an hour before bed, and then just as you hit the pillow, the crash happens. I don't know if that's how that works or not, but I'm willing to give it a shot at this point. Decaf forgot that exists. Yeah. I mean, and I get the idea. You know, decaf is not really without caffeine. There's still a little bit in there. It's not as much as fully caffeinated. And then there's also the half calf that I've tried in the past too. But I don't really think I honestly don't think caffeine is my particular issue. I have found that if I take like ibuprofen, like one ibuprofen before bed, I'll have the much better night's sleep than any other time. I try not to do it because it's not healthy to do that. In fact, I really try not to do it. I only do it when I absolutely have to. So I have a feeling that I have some sort of like, there must be pain or something that's just like the normal aches and pains that I have must be like keeping me up at night or something. They're not enough to fully wake me up, but enough to like wake me up enough that I don't sleep soundly or something. I don't know what it is. One of these days I'll figure it out. One of these days. And I am also, it's a little bit of that, and it's also like the holiday season is. I appreciate that the holiday season is supposed to be like joyous and everything, but I'm always like a little bit bummed out when the holiday season comes around. Part of it is just that I've got birthday coming up in a couple weeks, and I guess part of it is just it doesn't have the magic it once had, I guess, on me. More of a chore nowadays. So if I add that, what did I do? I was trying to find the oh, here it is. Mail Things Live. It's right in front of my face. I'm like, where is this file at? Right in front of my face is where it's at. Do min length of 3. Max length of, let's say, 100, maybe. What does that look like over here? Okay, that's about 100 there. I think it'll be enough for their message. And then if I do hi, so does it enforce, does the browser enforce the, oh, it does. Cool. All right. That's I would rather the browser enforce that than we have to do it. So, here's a great stream I'm watching. Join me. Oh, I didn't add it to the channel thing. Here. I added it as a field, but I didn't add it to the change set. Share text. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's updated. So if I go over here and I click on share. Oh, am I I don't have it wired up yet. Hang on a minute. I gotta wire that up. So, share buttons. I want the share text. And here. Like so, and over here, streamer, button. Where is it at? Where is it at? Here we go. Name, share text at channel, share text. Okay. See if this works. Yep, it does. All right, so I brought that back. I put the link in there and all that. Okay. So that's good there. And then the Reddit one wants me to log in because I'm not logged in there. On Mastodon, I can do this and say Mastodon. Put stuff in there. Good. And the copy stream URL we tested already. That hasn't changed. Let's check the Reddit one with this guy because I'm logged in on Reddit over here. Channel. Share. Reddit. Yep, there it is. Yeah, see, Reddit has a 300 limit. So I think putting our limit at like 100 was probably the correct length for most of this stuff. Cool. Now you can close stuff. All right. I know what the next thing's going to be though. Someone's going to be like, "Hey, can I get an event in the chat that says that somebody shared the stream?" And I'll be like, "Not really." because the problem with that is I don't know if they actually shared it. I know I can tell if they clicked on the button, but I can't tell if they actually then, when they were in Twitter and stuff, actually physically shared it, or if they just closed the tab. So would be a false sense of security. I think we're good here. I think so far so good. So I should do a few tests at least. I mean, channel settings, there's not much to... There's not much to test over there. I mean, it's just like, hey, this submitted properly. I don't think that's a particularly useful test. I don't think there is a channel settings live test. No, there isn't. So I don't need that at the moment. But the stream test we do have. Metadata offline stream, live stream, mature content stream, edge routing, goes to correct edge location, lost packets events. This will be good. Make sure this is still working. Although it doesn't seem like it. Lost packets 1. Toggle view. Doesn't look like it checks to see if the color changes, but I guess that's fine. So what do I need? So I need to test sharing. Add stream details button. Yeah, I guess I'll just add it to the end with everything else. Describe, share, stream button. And I'll need it because this is going to be available to both logged in and non-logged in users. Should actually probably physically test that. I come over here and I sign out. Share button still here. Still works, right? Yep. Yep, it does. Okay, making sure. Real fast on there. Okay. So share stream button. is available to non-logged in users. Yeah, do I don't know if I even need that for this one, but user equals user picture. Okay, and then we'll do okay. Well, live user stream path connection index. I guess I always do need a streamer here, so let's do setup streamer equals streamer picture. Turn that. And bring that in over here. Go. All right, and I should, what's the, that's something I can key off of here. Share modal. That's the share modal only shows up if you're that's there. It's here. Yeah, share stream button is the ID. Button. There we go. And we'll just say is available to logged in users. So I do was it login, user connection, login user. All right, and then use that here. I put space there. That's wrong. Index. They should have a share stream button as well. And then I guess I can just test that. Can I test? I'm clicking it where it puts the modal on the page. I mean, I don't know if that's even a interesting test even. I guess I could make sure. Or at least I can test the sending the signal that's clicked. No, I should click on the actual button. And I guess I could test that it has the message there. For a child. No, that's not really a... I think I need to... I need to test that separate. Yeah, I think I need to test that separately. Let's see. Test, clicking the share button presents the share modal. Okay. User picture. View. HTML. Live. Connection. Stream path. Connection index. Streamer username. View. Elements. Share. Stream button. Enter click. Should patch the current view. Then I should be able to assert HTML. Or yeah, I think assert HTML. Share modal. me say toggles. Share mode. So we'll do that and then do it again. If that works that way. Test, finish, web, live, user, live, test. One failure. What is this? The share stream button. Clicking the share button toggles the share mobile. No function clause matching. Handle event 3. Go modal. Oh yeah, because it's the other thing's not loaded. The component's not loaded. Yeah, it's looking for the handle event here, and the component's not loaded. So I guess I can't really do that. I have to do that test in the actual component. But it did at least send the right signal anyway. I'm not really I mean, at that point I'm not testing my code, I'm testing Phoenix. And Phoenix already has its own test, so yeah, I guess I don't really need that. I just need to know that it's there for the various people to see. Okay, that's good. Just have to test that component now that I did. Social buttons test. So copy that guy. And rename him to share buttons. Okay. That Share buttons. Much web, live, user live, component. Share buttons. Okay. Good. So I have share buttons. Link channel. That's fine. Let's see here. Oh, I see why I set component down there. Doing a live isolated component. Share buttons. All right. So user profile. So what I want to do is I want to update their channel. Finish stream. Channel. Change channel. Update channel. Yeah, update channel. User channel attribute. Streamer. Streamer.channel. And let's set their share text to test. So we have to update their channel. I assume this actually does the update. Yeah. Okay. Update channel, share text, this is a test. So then we pull up the component. And in the session, we have to put a couple things. Need all of this. That me. Here buttons tests. Streamer username will be streamer.username. Streamer dot play name. And the share text. I'll just take that off the channel. So it'll just be streamer.channel share text. Alright. Insert HTML has share modal. And insert HTML as the streamer display name. No, I think share text. Display name. This for a second and see if that just the basic case works. Good. Wait a minute. Yeah, no, it should, because it's gonna. No. No, when I first come into that component, that's not set properly. The show share set to false. So this shouldn't even be on there. So this should actually fail. We're out of the gate here. Let's test to make sure. User live components. Next for test. Right, yeah. And that's correct, it did. So I have to do live isolate and then in the view I have to trigger the show modal. So render, it's not render quick, it's Why is it then? Didn't do something here. I guess not. What is it? Phoenix live view test. I think it's render event. Render change, render component, render fuck. Let's trigger action. Start pushing it. Search that event will be pushed by no. Form. If I can do that. Render hook. Must pass an element created with element 3 as first argument must point to the element target on it. Sends a hook event to the view or an element and returns the rendered result. I'm trying to figure out which one of these would work here. Live view test. Event. Component event. Cannot test an event without an element. Dynamically change paychecks. Click value. The first button. Event. All helpers, such as render click, have a variant where you pass the view, the event name, and parameters. You can submit the event without checking if there's an element on the page. Find components. I'm in a live view. So, am I supposed to do just the render click that takes the view in? In the click event, the view with the value and returns the rendered result. I guess so. I guess that's what I would do. So, render click view, event, and then value. There's no value, so view, render click. So these are already getting put in there. It's giving me the element, but I don't. Okay, event. Render click event and then value. So show modal. And value has a default on it. If I do that, does that? No. So I guess, yeah, I mean, there's not very limited here. Unless I can somehow how do they do it here? User. They do. We'll see the report user button as part of their thing, so they can just do a render click on it. Any clues in here as to what I can do? Doesn't like. Yeah, I don't think there's a way for me to do what I want to do without putting that button in the inside the component, which I really don't. Yeah, I don't know. They do it here. Wonder if maybe, okay, let's try this. Do it in this form in case it was getting confused. No. Well, I mean, that said, this could be that it did get updated, but here's the contents of the whole live view. Or an error redirect. So they're asserting on the render click. So my guess is that's coming back as this. Actually, I can just call it HTML and just hide that guy and just not use him. Yeah, okay, it's working. I'm like, everything says that should be working. And it is. And it found the share text in there that was set. So that's good. Your display name. What else do I guess not that much more I could test on. This is all just like these buttons you can click, and that's about it. Because it's got the sharing text, it's got the display name. I can't really think of much else. I mean, everything else is just JavaScript on the page and pretty straightforward JavaScript. So I think this is enough to just test that and say like, hey, this renders correctly when you show modal. So yeah, I guess that's that. I mean, there's not a lot to really test. I mean, I test the sharing text. So kind of combine two tests in one. Yeah, I guess that's about it. Let's do our other stuff then. Status. Do live stream test. Yeah, I think that's most of the stuff. Your button's always there. It populates what you put in it. Okay. Go and run the whole test suite. Variable user is unused. I'll have to fix that. Alright. Just letting it run through here. We'll see what we get. If anything. And then I'll take some screenshots and do the pull request. 11 failures. There was an additional failure here somewhere. Right test. Right test. Right test. Report modal, that's stripe error. Report button test. Oh, okay. Report button test. Because I did change some of that. So, I was looking for text danger. Okay. Got it. So that makes sense that failed. Stripe error. Stripe error. The report button test and stream test here. Stream test I have user is not used. I guess that would be here. What it said is available to none. Logged in users, yeah. Okay. And then, is it report button tests? $28. There's a report button for another user. Text danger. Okay, here's where it's coming into problems. I should do. Right. Yeah, it's looking for the text danger in here, but I can just say ID, report, button link, I'll call it. And then in the test here somewhere. Or report button link. Try that all full again. Alright. 80 now. Let's see while that's going. See how Melvor's doing here. We got level 94 skill. More than halfway though. Go over to something that gives me more XP here. See if we can get some levels built up. There we go. Right. Just waiting here now. Failures again? Really? The same thing failed again? Link. Not show up in there anywhere? No modal. Why does that ID not show up?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Did I not save that page? No, I don't. Go modal.
What's your name, pretty boy?
What is that? So. Oh, I put it on the toggle debug. It's actually down in here somewhere, right? Oh, that's kind of a... Test is not necessarily a good test anyway, but let's do,
What's your name, pretty boy?
I mean, they need to latch onto something. I mean, they're latching onto the report user. So, I don't think we need to know whether it's a button or otherwise. So I'm just going to get rid of that. So that should work there. Let's test that one in isolation just to make sure. Test Wimish web live user live components button test. All right, now no failures. Mix test again just to make sure there's no additional failures. So,
what's your name, pretty boy?
do that. Anything else here? Oh, ways to go. 8.7 million XP for that one. Was there another thing in the shop there? It's 20 mil to get the auto eat tier 3. Kind of waiting for that.
What's your name?
Nothing
What's your name? What's your name?
here.
What's your name?
Hmm.
What's your name?
Okay.
What's your name?
That.
What's your name?
Oh boy, this is an annoying song. The hell, man. Let's repeat the same thing over and over and over again. Okay. Alright, 10 failures. Stripe, 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 stripe. Stripe, stripe. Stripe error, stripe error, stripe error. Okay, we're good. We're good there. Alright, mix code quality. No issues. Awesome. Alright, get status. Add that. Status. What do we got here? App.js, channel, share buttons, stream, all settings live, report button test, share buttons test. Okay. Alright. So git commit. Finished share button. Changes. Push. And in there. Okay. And I think I want to squash those down to one. Commits that are easier to look at. Before I do that though, I do want to check that one file that I'm pretty sure I didn't change. So let's look at here. 11 change files. And 15 hours ago. Doing it in the file. Tests. That. Your buttons test. I don't see that other. The other class doesn't show up as anything that I've changed, so that's good. One that was like mysteriously empty. So that's good there. Let's squash those down. Rebase dev. Do a fix up on that one. And of course, push that. Cool. All right, now it should be down to just one. Down to just one commit now, but all the different changes are in there. It'll be easier to move around as needed. Add a share button to channel page. Okay. Let's say sharing is here. All right. So let's get the server back up and running so I can take screenshots. I've added a share button to the bottom of the stream. Bottom of the stream panel next to the debug and report user buttons. I've restyled the debug and report user buttons so all three buttons align properly. The debug and report user buttons should continue to function the same as they have prior to this change. The debug icon should still change to yellow when there are stream connection issues. All right, and it's up and running. Go to screenshot here. And we'll put that right there. The new share button is available to both log in and anon users. Clicking the button will open the following modal dialog box. am I at here? This. And we'll go here, pop that in. Logged in anonymous users. Clicking the button will open the following little dialog box. For other platforms, or you can click copy stream URL. Post on platforms not listed. Okay. Share button. Thinking about what else to right here. Clear the button will open the following little dialog box. The various buttons on the modal will open the corresponding social media sites in a new browser tab and place the user if they are logged in on this social media site of choice. And place the user onto a page where they can immediately, where they can edit and create a post. Streamers may set the default post message from their channel settings page. Here, settings. Okay. That. Okay, and viewers may edit the message before they submit the post on the various social media sites. This default message is just a gesture. In addition to the message, the feature will automatically add a link to the streamer's channel page. So that's the stream channel page, period. That's fine. And okay, I guess the system default message is the maximum size of this message is restricted to 100 characters on the user interface. What am I doing? I think it's I think I will put that down. And let's take a screenshot of that one. That. And that in here. All right. User interface. All right, and then just I guess notes. Added column share text to the channels table. This will contain the alt text that will appear when sharing the stream. Not really anything else. I guess added a Mastodon button. Did I call it? What did I call it? Mastodon share button. Now I can't find it. Mastodon share button. Share button. JavaScript hook to handle the creation of the share link, because Mastodon requires the instance name to be entered for the correct share panel to appear. That's about it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Yeah, it's very straightforward. I guess that's about it. I don't know what else to add. It's kind of does its thing. So add a share button to the bottom of the stream panel next to the debug and report user buttons. I've restyled the debug and report user buttons so all three buttons align properly. Debug and report user buttons should continue to function the same as they have prior to this change. The debug icon should still change to yellow when there are stream connection issues. New share button is available for both logged in and anonymous users. Clicking the button will open the following modal dialog box. Okay. The various buttons on the modal will open the corresponding social media sites in a new browser tab and place the user, if they're logged in the social media site of choice, onto a page where they can edit and create a post. Viewers may set the default post message from their channel settings page. Viewers may edit the message before they submit the post on the various social media sites. The default message is a suggestion. In addition to the message, the feature will automatically add a link to the streamer's channel page. System default message is that. The maximum size of this message is restricted to 100 characters on the user interface. And then just 2 development notes. Okay. I'm happy enough with that. I might... It's... There's not much to say there, because it's kind of is its thing, but we'll submit that pull request. Get that out there. And let it run through its checks and stuff. But I think that will do it for me for tonight, my friends. Again, really laid back, casual coding stream. Nothing too crazy. Also, not gonna stream tomorrow. After all, I need to get some things done. IRL. So I'm just going to kind of, and since I was kind of, not really in a thinking mood today, I have a feeling that I could probably use an extra little day off from stuff. So that's what I'm going to do. And then Monday, obviously I don't stream it anyway, so I'm off Monday as well. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll be back with some games, doing just some random games, whatever I happen to feel like playing. Maybe I'll play a little bit more of Tunic. Maybe I'll play something else. I don't know. We'll see how I feel then. And next Friday, we'll be back again with more Small Feature Friday. I'm trying to think. Friday should be a normal day. And then next Saturday and Sunday are, let me think. I have a feeling, I think next, what is next Sunday? We're at, okay, next Saturday and Sunday will be normal days. So I'll have, most likely have just, my regular afternoon streams. It's the week after that I'll probably have one on Saturday, but not on Sunday. We'll have to see what's going on with that stuff. But anyway, that will do it. That will do it for me for tonight, friends. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I hope everyone has an excellent morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on what it is for you. And hope to see you back here again in the future for some more stuff, whatever happens to suit your fancy. Until then, see you, bye.
This is the way.